Okay, so this is my design thinking programming challenge, and I'll document the story and how I created my final project. So I started off with a design thinking questionnaire, asking people what problems they had in school and how I could create something that helps them fix it. So in here I ask questions like, how do you organize your time, and do you go off task while working? The responses I got were mixed, but we overall found that most people had problems involving time management and concentration. So we ended up having ideas of a time management or meditation app. But later on, we ended up changing our mind because, first of all, we had trouble creating these types of apps, and many other students also had these ideas for apps, so we decided to make a more unique app. Miss Mark recommended us to have an interview with the teacher, since we didn't do a questionnaire for this one. So basically she explained what problems she had and what apps we could make to make her life more efficient. So she told us about a social career app, which basically managed all volunteers in Hong Kong Jockey Club, also manages money and volunteers. So this app does things such as recruit members to join an event, keep automatic attendance at those events, and give notifications. So she gave us ideas such as these, like recruiting members to join a particular event in school, send notifications to others, and also create an attendance checker for teachers to easily check if students are present. After an interview with an HKIS teacher that shared how other teachers feel, including her, I decided to create an efficiency app for teachers that helped teachers in a particular way. So these ways will be listed in the prototypes below. So the prototype 1 is basically email automation, where sends emails where recruiting members to join something, such as a school event, or sign up for something, and basically sends automated emails where teachers don't need to send emails to every single person in school. And our prototype 2 was an app allowing teachers to check their attendance on a checking machine. So basically, you would insert all your present members and the members that are supposed to be in class, and automatically tells you who is absent. So my final prototype, I chose an attendance system because invitations and automated emails, which is my first prototype, can already be done on Schoology, and attendance system is also more feasible for us to code and more useful for more teachers. So this is our class attendance on Scratch, where we had our code. So code can be shown in the sprites, and basically I'll show you how it works. So basically this tab is for who's here, so basically who's at that class. This tab is at who should be here, so all members of the class, and this shows anyone that's not here. So let's show how it works. So it's your name, so that's Chris, and then I'll add Brian, Christopher. So these are the people that are at the class. And then these are the people that should be at the class. So I'll be listing all class members. And let's say there's another member called X. So This button checks who isn't here and listed absent person. So here, because X is not here, we end up with final answer of the absent member, which is shown right there. Okay, so let me try another one where they're all here. So let's just have one class member and one person there. When you click check, you get an all here. So basically saying everyone's here. And then yeah, that's basically it. And I think it can be a pretty simple prototype for teachers, but it works pretty well and increases efficiency where they don't have to manually add everyone and check everyone. So my collaboration with my teammate, we worked together on our code on Scratch, and we also did our original. We also had the interview and our original design thinking questionnaire with him. So I believe we worked pretty well. We worked pretty well together, and ended up finishing the code quite quickly. Even though we were behind, we got back on track, and we ended up doing a lot of work together, but also had our individual work, such as the video right here, and overall our presentation and story are a bit different. I believe that we still were shared work evenly, because I did I did half. We usually split work in half, such as the questionnaire, having ideas, and also the overall code. We split our job.